Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a wallet on Crypto.com. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar that pops up at the very top of the screen, type in www.crypto.com. Press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of Crypto.com, which looks like this. Scroll all the way down until you see this kind of an interface on your screen. Now, go ahead and select the trade button from any of the cryptos displayed on the screen. Let me select this first one over here and click on Go to Exchange. Crypto.com is a cryptocurrency exchange app based in Singapore. It supports trading, investing, staking, wallets, NFTs, and much more. If you'd like to sign up for Crypto.com and create a wallet for yourself, go ahead and enter your information into the text box appearing on the screen. Type in your first name into the first text box and head over to the next one and type in your last name. Enter your date of birth information on the next field and choose your nationality. Select your state from the drop-down beneath and then enter your email address in the next field. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. Now, create a new password for your account. Make sure that your passwords contain at least 8 characters, 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and at least 1 special character. If you create a password that matches these criteria, you'll be good to go. Confirm your password by typing it again on the next field. Make sure your password matches in both of the text boxes. Now, if you have a referral code, you can go ahead and type it in right beneath. If you don't, skip the step and click on this boxes over here that says I agree to the terms of Crypto.com privacy notice and exchange terms and conditions, and make sure you click on these boxes over here and click on click to verify. In order to verify yourself as a human being, drag the slider over here and fit the puzzle piece and finally click on Create Account. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to create a wallet for Crypto.com. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.